Hey guys, it's your boy Yashir Yevi. Well, if you're shy guys, I would like to tell them that it's my little subscriber button. So guys, are you trying to get Edge to 264 on Adobe Premiere Pro or Adobe After Effects? Okay, without Adobe Media Encoder. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can exactly get it for free. Alright, so first of all, there's codec plugin or whatever you want to call it. Alright, so you want to visit this vocoder.com. Now click on downloads, and first you want to click this button, download. Alright, start download, and you want to run this install. Alright, hit next. So I'm just gonna repair it. I've already installed it, and the next thing you wanna do is to grab the codec tool. So you're gonna grab for After, okay, for After Effects, Adobe After Effects. If you'd like to grab for Adobe Premiere Pro CC or whatever, Vegas Pro as well. So just click download for Adobe After Effects, and it will download this program. You're gonna hit open, next. I'm also gonna repair. I've already installed both of them. Now try to open Adobe After Effects and try to launch, open your project, open any whatever. Alright, so I've did this, as you can see. Now I'm gonna click File, or I can just press N to add this, or I can do File, Export, okay, add to render queue. Alright, now for best settings, I'm gonna keep that on best for, okay, lossless. Now from here you're gonna see AVI. You're gonna click the little button and you're gonna choose vocoder. Alright, and you're gonna go to format options. So once this pop up, you're gonna see codec, okay, H.264. Make sure you select this, and you can go for default or general purposes, recommended if you're not sure. Alright, or you can do lossless as well, so that it will still stay uncompressed. So for this purpose, I'm gonna go with this one, recommended if you're not sure, or you can do default. Okay, and then hit OK. Hit OK once again. Now choose a location where you want to save this. As you can see here, it will preview .mp4. Now just click on render button, and now this depends on the file. As you can see here, this has a 4-minute file. So once it finishes render, it's gonna be onto your desktop as .mp4, as you can see. Voila. So that's how we do it, guys, without any Adobe Media Encoder codec. You don't have to pay for anything. It's really simple, cheap. It's really simple and free. Alright, so yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it is, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to smash up the like button, and also ring that bell notification, guys, because whenever I drop a brand new video like this, you will get notified. Alright, so 77 degrees Celsius, I might have to open my case, the glass panel. So now I think my cooler, my fans start kicking in. So the temperature might increase or decrease depending on the PC. And yeah, so this is as you can see, it elapsed time estimated for 4 minutes 5. Okay, rendering in 1080p, about 5 minutes estimated, right? And it's nearly there. And I do have a graphic card, guys. I currently have an RTX 30, as you can see here. The physics X settings, NVIDIA RTX 3070. And if you go to preferences, okay, right now we can. If you go to preferences in Adobe After Effects, Well, you can set the After Effects to use GPU, which is my graphic cards when rendering, and it's still going to be fast. All right. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope so I was helpful.